Dog, puppy. Baby dog is called puppy. Let's say it again. Baby dog is called puppy. Cat, kitten. Baby cat is called kitten. Let's say it again. Baby cat is called kitten. Elephant, calf. Baby elephant is called calf. Let's say it again. Baby elephant is called calf. Sheep, lamb. Baby sheep is called lamb. Let's say it once again. Baby sheep is called lamb. Pig, piglet. Baby pig is called piglet. Let's say it again. Baby pig is called piglet. Kangaroo, Joey. Baby kangaroo is called Joey. Let's say it again. Baby kangaroo is called Joey. Goat, kit. Baby goat is called kit. Let's say it again. Baby goat is called kit. Bear, cub. Baby bear is called cub. Let's say it again. Baby bear is called cub. Horse, foal. Baby horse is called foal. Let's say it again. Baby horse is called foal. Hen, chick. Baby hen is called chick. Let's say it again. Baby hen is called chick. Wolf, pup. Baby wolf is called pup. Let's say it again. Baby wolf is called pup. Swan, cygnet. Baby swan is called cygnet. Let's say it once again. Baby swan is called cygnet. Monkey, infant. Baby monkey is called infant. Let's say it again. Baby monkey is called infant. Zebra, foal. Baby zebra is called foal. Let's say it again. Baby zebra is called foal. Deer, fawn. Baby deer is called fawn. Let's say it once again. Baby deer is called fawn. Lion, cub. Baby lion is called cub. Let's say it once again. Baby lion is called cub. Duck, duckling. Baby duck is called duckling. Let's say it once again. Baby duck is called duckling. Frog, tadpole. Baby frog is called tadpole. Let's say it once again. Baby frog is called tadpole. Donkey, foal. Baby donkey is called foal. Let's say it once again. Baby donkey is called foal. Giraffe, calf. Baby giraffe is called calf. Let's say it once again. Baby giraffe is called calf.